Hello, once again, I'm Dr. Jose Oclarit, a PhD in molecular biology. I would like to reiterate again the reminders or discussions about the mRNA or DNA vaccines or shots. The real culprit of any complications and adverse reactions regarding the mRNA and DNA shots is that the mRNA and DNA ultimately sequesters the machinery of the host cell to produce the spike protein. And the spike protein will be protruding into the cell where this mRNA and DNA have entered. And once the spike protein will protrude on the surface of the host cell, it will now be attacked by either the helper T cell that will now report to the B cell to produce antibodies, or it will be directly attacked by the cytotoxic T cell through the CD8 receptor. So take note, the cell that produces this spike protein will be attacked by the phagocytic cells, the killer T cells, and the antibodies that is produced by the body, the B cell, when the helper T cell have reported about the presence of this spike protein on the surface of the cell that has produced the spike proteins. So the actual complications lies on this particular mechanism. So once it is attacked, there will be a cascade of inflammation, and it causes what you call the intravascular coagulation, because if this happens in the blood vessel, the blood vessels will now be destroyed, and of course it will mimic the destruction, and the blood clotting will occur. And once the clotting will occur, it will now impede the supply of oxygen to the brain, to the heart, and to all other tissues of the body, thus causing a very rapid deterioration of the body, and it will lead to autoimmune attack and eventually death. Thank you very much and good afternoon.